How to keep YouTube subscription private. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open YouTube. Click on U located at bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on View Channel at the top beside your username. In here, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on pencil-like option. After you've clicked on pencil-like option, you'll find Keep All My Subscription Private at the bottom. Turn that on. Make sure you turned on. If you turn it on, the circle will be on the right side. And after you turn this on, your YouTube subscription will be private. This is how to keep YouTube subscription private. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.